Okay, this video we're going to look at where to put our fingers on the flute. What I want you to do first is actually just put the flute on your shoulder. Look, and so then it's straight in front of you like it's a recorder. And we don't need to worry about how we're holding it, how we're balancing it. We just want to find the places our fingers go. Now, the flute evolved from the recorder, and the recorder only had 7 holes. There were notes in between those holes that they had to do funny things to achieve. With the flute, they've given a hole for every note. Some of those notes we are going to have to use this rod mechanism to access. So that's why when we put our fingers down, there's not one key for every hole. So I'll go here if it's on your shoulder. So we've got the first key there, and then we have the key our pointer goes on. On the back, put your thumb on the flat key preferably, but for this exercise it doesn't matter if you go on to what we call the B flat key. So the flat key, and so we had that miss one, we have this one. Now miss one, and then don't miss one, and then this little almond shaped key, that's for your pinky. So we had missed one at the top, missed one in the middle, and then those 3 there. Then we miss 2 keys. Then we have 3. Now mine's an open hole flute, so you can see exactly where my keys are. On your flute you may not. Now you might want to put stickers on them so you know which keys they are, just as you're beginning and trying to figure it out. We've got these 2 there, then we've got 1, 2, 3. So there's our 6 keys. Now we have here a little key here. It's called the E flat key quite often. This key was needed because when the flute added these extra keys, they needed to be able to let the air out. So here we go. This key basically lets the air out for all the notes above. And by letting the air out, it just functions like a flute that ends there, which is what the Baroque flute did. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's little keys in the middle that you can see. And for the moment, just ignore those ones and those ones and those ones, and just have those 3, and then the pinky here. And now, if your flute head is on your shoulder, you can practice just lifting each finger individually. So hold all the keys down and just do a few reps like you're in the gym on each finger. And you'll notice, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, the flute actually makes a sound wave all of its own just when you tap the key. Pointer, and then you can do thumb there as well. Now, to tell you the names of the notes that we have here, we have B, A, G, F, E, D. So bag, B-A-G, fed, F-E-D. And notice as we play them, we add a finger. B, add a finger, we've got 2 fingers down, A, add a finger, G, and I'm missing the almond key for the moment, and then F, add a finger, E, add a finger, D. Now for all of those notes, the thumb stayed down on his key. Okay, have fun practicing your fingers.